Python, access class property from string. I have a class like the following. I want to pass a string for the source variable in do_something and access the class member of the same name. I have tried Getter, which only works on functions, from what I can tell, as well as having user extend dict and using self._getItem_, but that doesn't work either. What is the best way to do this?
X equals getter self, source, will work just perfectly if source names any attribute of self, including the other underscore data in your example.
A picture's worth 1,000 words.
Getter x, y, is equivalent to x.y, setter x, y, v, is equivalent to x.y equals v, delta x, y, is equivalent to del x.y.
Extending Alex's answer slightly. Will yield. However, personally I don't think that's great style. Getter will let you access any attribute of the instance, including things like the do_something method itself, or even the _dict_ of the instance. I would suggest that instead you implement a dictionary of data sources, like so. Again yielding.